Lagi tigpulong skin
Para
para magkaroon niya kanto.
itong usa. Next.
Kani? Kani? I-clamp ni siya o stop. Like, i-clamp siya og mga blood vessels.
So, mo gigamit sa imong appendix.
Dili. Di man blood vessel akong appendix.
Nakato usa. Balik to usa.
Kani? Same siya function.
So, asa di ang gigamit sa imong appendicitis?
Wala din.
Lain to siya.
Lain na instrument.
Asa tong usa ka tong gunting?
Kani? Kani mo ni gunting.
Wow,
It cuts.
professional. It cuts what?
It's German. Stainless. German stainless steel.
Ang sa
in German. German.
Ipakita mo stethoscope nga red.
So, mo ni ang stethoscope na red na baligya nilang trachea and ibiang. If you'd like, it's 200 pesos. Only.
Yeah, it's video room, so it's 500. Yay! Nakato usa, baligya na lang sana.
And he said, ani kay it's accurate. See, so it's worth buying. Ani,
that's what nurses use.
that's what nurses use when they go professional. Okay, ako. More. You need also energy batteries.
For the pictures.
And thank you to Rose
For what?
for the buttons.
Earphones.
Huh? You can never live without one. And yeah, iPad. I have new iPad. It's white and bigger and better. 30 gigs.
Yay!
Okay, mana ang silver?
Mana? Yay!
So, silver.
Lagi daw.
Continue.